It's MC Monte in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monte. Today we're going to be working on some basics that will help you take your cosplay to the next level. I put this together using only 3 items. I'll call this my helmet helper. I'm going to teach you how to make your very own helmet helper. It's a real easy build, and it'll help you shape and mold your EVA foam when you need something to be rounded or curved. And also, it can hold helmets very nicely. There's a list of items that you need in the description below. Let's get into it. This, that, this to get the party started like the Beastie Boys when they act. Second, you respond, but first I call, kick it off with a simple phrase.
Yes, yes, y'all.
When I say yes, yes, y'all say yes, y'all. Yes, yes,
Yes, y'all.
yes, yes.
Yes, y'all.
Second, you respond, but first I call, kick it off with a simple phrase.
Yes, yes, y'all.
Well, it sound like a throwback, better yet a retro. Best flows, I got those, we can take a vote. Yo, I blaze my campaign trail non-stop. Just pretend it's November 4th and I'm the rock. And I'm here to get this party jumping. So when I'm on the mic, you better be starting something, humping, bumping, I don't know, something. Get out on the floor, grab a girl and shake your rumpin'. We party in the park like it's the 80s again. We party in the basement like the 90s, you dig? Now I'm back on the scene. Sorry for the long delay, I was doing my thing. What thing? Well, you know. And there you have it. Quick and easy, right? Only 3 pieces. Now, as you can see, I taped mine off. You can decorate it, paint it, tape it, do whatever you want to make it look cool. But it comes in handy. The ball on the top really does a great job for molding and curving pieces. I would use it to curve like knee pads and shoulder armor and things like that. And with a smaller ball, you can use it to curve like abs on an ab plate. It also holds helmets really well. This can assist you when you're working on a helmet or a cowl, or you can use it to display your helmet or your cowl. So that's just some of the ways that I use this helmet helper. Let me know if you come up with some new ways to use this design, and I'll see you next time. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. Peace.